The Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that features.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a carrot for your pet. So after you come here, you gotta come to this cooking pot. You see there's like this obstacle cursor there, so you gotta click on it. I think a little bit near. After clicking on the ingredients you need for the first box is a mint. So there you go, that's mint. After adding the mint, add the green seed there and the round leaf there. You press cook. It's cooking it, and you get a delicious sweet carrot. And now I want to feed it to my pet. So I'm gonna go here, and I've actually lost my pet for some reason. Wait, let's just rejoin again. Quick game. Oh wait, I'm gonna just return to lobby. We'll feed it to my pet then. Let's go on chili fields, I guess. Join, come on, Water Pets. And if you don't know, Water Pets is by the Norris Nuts. I'm a legend. Catch me knuckles. Hopefully they're watching this video. I'll be really happy if they did. Okay. WOP. Do you watch Norris Nuts? Comment down below. If you do, that means you're a legend. Yeah, catch me knuckles. Okay, yeah. So look, we got a little cozy here. So I'm gonna press on it. If you don't know how to do it, you gotta press on it and then press care, and then you go to carrot. I'll give it a carrot. Now you see it's full. So when this goes on the, if you see at the bottom right of my screen, there's this thing and the carrot. If you feed it carrots and this goes like to the highest level over here, your pet can actually level up. So that is actually how you make a carrot. So hope you like the tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.